Forget your half-laid plans. Oh, it's out of your hands. She ran away this morning like a jittery bird jumped out the window without so much as a word. Dug up the garden till the earth turned black. There's no need for ever looking back. Oh, it's out of your hands. Oh, it's out of your hands. Forget your half-laid plans.